In the body there are many types of receptors. Receptors are specific to certain stimuli, and as such, in order to perceive vision we require different types of receptors working in tandem with the coordinator, the brain. At the back of the eye there is the retina. This is where the photocells are. They come in two basic types, rod cells and cone cells, both of which transduce light energy into an electrical impulse. Rod cells. These receptors are unable to distinguish between different wavelengths of light, and as such only provide visual data in black and white. Additionally, many rod cells are connected to the same bipolar neuron, which is connected to a single sensory neuron. The result of this is that they provide visual information with low acuity. For example, two closely positioned single points may appear as a single one, as multiple rod cells can only send information via one neuron. A positive benefit of retinal convergence, which is the term used to describe this, is that impulses are possible in lower light conditions. Additionally, the pigment in the rod cells, which must be broken down in order to send an impulse, rhodospin, requires lower light intensity than cone cells. Both these factors together explain the rod cell's usefulness in providing night vision. It also explains why in the dark our vision lacks color. Cone cells. Cone cells come in three different types, those which correspond to red, green and blue wavelengths. This enables them to send information in color. Additionally, cone cells have their own bipolar neuron each, which is attached to a single sensory neuron. As such, cone cells provide higher visual acuity. As a result of this independent attachment, cone cells require high light intensity to send an impulse. Additionally, cone cells have the pigment iodospin, which breaks down at higher intensities of light than rhodospin. The breakdown of this pigment is required in order to create a generator potential which creates an impulse. As a result of their differing properties, rod and cone cells are distributed throughout the retina non-uniformly. The area of the retina called the fovea, which receives the most light intensity, is where cone cells are found exclusively. At the peripheries where light intensity is lower, are where the rod cells are found. A gradation between the two are seen between the fovea and peripheries. Thank you for listening.